In Blender and in 3ds Max, we have origin. When you work with polygons, sometimes it can be tricky. I mean, working with a couple more polygons, especially when you modify object when you extrude it. For example, you see Gizmo not in the middle, Control Shift, Control Shift Alt C, origin to geometry, Shift S, cursor to selected. In 3ds Max, we have use selection center, like in object mode. When you switch to different pivot transformation, you can see what happens. I told you in my previous video tutorial. So you have used the selection center in Blender. You have cursor to selected, Control Shift Alt C, origin to geometry, but you can go to object. Where this was. Set origin to geometry, and cursor to selected. So your Gizmo will be in the middle, and the same with polygon, depending what you want to create. Shift S cursor to selected, Control Shift Alt C, origin to geometry, and again. I hope you like my video tutorial.